Deshkonde, and as we know, today's GD topic is importance of playing games. Importance of playing games is the most important thing in our life. First, I will start with some history of it. The game started 2050 BC, means totally 5000 to 4000 to 5000 year ago. The first game was wrestling, and it was start in the Olympic mountain, and the starter was used. It is a mythological idea. So he arranged a competition which name was Olympic. Now we named it it's Olympic. It's held after every 4 years. Or Olympic. The first game everyone liked was wrestling, in which no rules was there. Only rules was that kill the person which is your opponent. Now the advantages. First, there are three types of games involved: outdoor games, indoor games, and mobile games. Mobile games have less advantage, but the advantage is that it improves our focusing ability and vision ability. Just we can see Free Fire or PUBG. They have billions of downloads, but we can't see their advantage. It just when we shoot it, we can improve our ability of vision and outdoor games like cricket, we can improve our physical power, and by indoor games we can improve our mental power. Some physical like cricket, there are many games including cricket. The man of running, in football running, swimming. In swimming, if we are swimming, our calories are burned, and as we know, swimming is the most difficult sports now here, and most calorie burning sports. In indoor games, Monopoly, cards. In Monopoly, we can improve our business skills. Thanks.
Hi friends, good evening. My name is Arnav Chandra, and I like most playing cricket in outdoor game because it improves our physical health and our running speed. I like games in indoor like carom, because in that we have to use our mind to get the goal. There are many games in indoor, outdoor, and mobile. In indoor games there are chess, carom, ludo, and many others. In outdoor games there are many like cricket, baseball, badminton, and many others. I like cricket because it have 11 players or many. We have to play with one bat and one ball. I like a game in mobile that is Free Fire because it is very adventurous and battle run. Thank you.
Hi friends, good evening. My name is Mahingirasi. So as he said, there are three types of games: indoor game, outdoor game, and virtual game. It is said that outdoor games give the satisfaction, but virtual games not give the satisfaction, because in virtual games we can play it again and again, but outdoor game that we cannot play again and again, because after some time we get less energy. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Sarvesh Mujisrida, and I want to tell that the games that increase our mind and physical health. We can play games many types of it. It teaches teamwork, that we play in the game. That in football we pass the ball to our teammates and make a goal. In cricket also, in that we have to take runs. That we can play good, and we have to love to play games. So there are so many levels to play the games, and so many people make the career on that. Thank you.
Hi friends, good evening. My name is Krupa. Games are many types, and like indoor and outdoor. Outdoor games such as cricket, football, badminton, and indoor carom, chess, ludo, and thank you.
Hi friends, good evening. I am Janvi.
I like to play indoor games because like quiz games. Quiz game makes our brain power, increase our brain power, and outdoor game I like to play run and catch. Run and catch. When we run, our leg muscle make strong, and many more games we can play at outdoor like cricket, football, run and catch, hide and seek.
Good evening all, my name is Anushka, and as you all told that there are three types of games, and I would like to repeat it all because there are three types of games. The first physical, virtual and indoor games. So I like to play the indoor games because indoor game develop our minds. Not that because I'm not saying that I don't like the outdoor and virtual games. I like them also, but I play that in limit because virtual game, if we will play that game, our mind get attracted towards that game like Free Fire, PUBG. So I don't like playing that game so much, and I used to play that game.
So just Janvi said that the quiz game is her favorite, but quiz game is an advantage in it. Like we can know the quiz by reading it, and for reading we have to read more and more and books. It can improve our reading ability by a quiz game, and some disadvantage are there in virtual game. Just I said that it make us focus in a particular task, for not multitasking it, but in a particular task. But our vision can be disabled by it, and it is an addiction by it. Just like Free Fire, PUBG, BGMI is an addiction. Like a good game like Minecraft for building, it's a good game for learning architecture, but it's an addiction to play. In outdoor game, there is not any disadvantage, but from my suggestion, if we have to go somewhere outside, or we have a conference or meeting, jobs, or like GDs and speeches, we have to not play it because if we can get hurt by it, and it can be hurt our performance also. In indoor games, there are very less disadvantages as outdoor games. The disadvantage are it just less our physical power by improving mental power, and it can make us lazy by playing continuously. So thank you.
So, as Sarvesh said, there is teamwork in games. In most of the games, in outdoor cricket, baseball, there is teamwork. And if teamwork is better, then we obviously win the game. Most of the games are of single player and duo, but in other games like we have to play with full 5-6 players, we get excited and only think about to win. I like to play outdoor games most because there are many types of variety in game. In outdoor game, I like to play cricket because in cricket there is many types of batting skills and many types of bowling skills. There are advantages and disadvantages. Advantages, we build our concentration and our mental ability and physical ability. In mobile games, we get addicted in many of the games like Free Fire, PUBG and others. But if we play the games in limited time, means for 15 to 20 minutes, then we not get addicted. Thank you.
Yes, as Sarvesh said that we can make career in games. Yes, there are many games like cricket, football, outdoor games like baseball, badminton, but there are many levels of games, playing games such as district level, national level, state level, international level. If we play in this level, we can earn our respect, money. Everyone knows us that we are playing. So thank you.
The games. That is so much important that the Arno said it is from many years ago this game is working.
4,000. 4,000.
Yes, that. And it's make physical health and many other things, and it's not make us lazy, and it makes so many friends, and some people are playing that mobile games. It is not good for us because it harms our eyes and many things. Thanks.
Yes, Sarvesh said mobile games will harm our eyes. Is correct, but in mobile games, puzzle games is important for us, and in outdoor games there are many teams and he career that. Thank you.
I like play outdoor games like football. For example, Ronaldo play football from they are 9 years old, I guess. But Ronaldo did not have any classes to learn football, but they learn with the hard work. And when we do hard work for any games, so we can also do anything.
There are three types of games like indoor, we know it already, indoor, outdoor and virtual games. So we can make a career in all of them, all three types. Like in virtual game we can also make career, and in a physical game we can also make career, and in indoor game also. So we can make career in all, and career makes us popular to grow, and people comes to know us like Virat Kohli, Ronaldo is a football player which we know very nicely. So he is such a good player, as you know that Ronaldo wins many trophies, and one more match is coming by 2023. So I am really excited for that, and my favorite player is from India. Like you know that cricket is a very popular game in India. All boys like to play it. So my favorite cricketer is Dhoni. Thank you.
So just she said that there are many types of games in football. Just like Lionel Messi is very famous in cricket, Virat Kohli, Amazon, Sachin Tendulkar is so famous. We can he said we can earn everything: passion, earn money, and our respect. So there is a question for me that virtual games disadvantage are more or advantage are more?
Disadvantage, because if
But
we do
why?
addicted, we should not do addicted.
I think
We should
advantage
play it
because
I don't.
in virtual game we can build career by YouTube. If we are nice in playing games, then we can make our YouTube channel and go and make videos of it and upload on YouTube.
But very less people or very less YouTubers are success by the gaming platform.
Yes, who has courage to do the best?
Oh
So
yes,
we
it's
can-
right.
It's also build a confidence and daring.
That's right. It builds our confidence level. Yes.